All right, guys, if you will, just go to your notes. And today we're going to talk about special cases, which is notes 1-9. Today is the 12th, so you're taking these after your quiz. Okay, we're going to talk about no solution and infinite solution. Now, before I work the problem, I want to reference the notes that y'all took on 1-8. You are going to be doing these 5 steps still. They do not change, so if you need to refer back to your steps, make sure you look at the page before. Okay, so here we go. No solution problems. I'm going to draw my bars and solve my problem. So step 1 is to distribute. You can only distribute if there are parentheses. So I'm going to take -4 times 2x, which is -8x. And then -4 times +1 is -4. Since there's no distributing on the other side, I just bring it down, -8x minus 2. Okay, step 2 is to combine like terms. Well, if I look at the left side, those two things are not similar. If I look at the right side, those two things are not similar. Step 3 is move the smaller variable. Well, the smaller variable, this is a -8x, this is a -8x. They're the same, so pick. It does not matter which one you move. You just have to do the opposite. So I'm going to add 8x. When I do -8 plus 8, that cancels and just leaves me with -4. Bring down equals. When I have -8 plus 8, that cancels, and now all I have left now is -2. So I no longer have a letter. Since you don't have a letter, you stop, you're done. You're going to look at this. Is -4 equal to -2? This is a false statement. Okay, if it is false, that means the answer, so your final answer, you have 2 ways of writing it. You can write no solution, write out those words, or you can use the symbol that is a 0 with a slash. Okay, now, what no solution means is that there's no possible number that I could plug in to check this problem. If I picked 3 and plugged it in, it wouldn't work. If I picked 10 and plugged it in, it wouldn't work. If I picked -12, it wouldn't work. So nothing is going to work. Okay, now the opposite of no solution is an infinite solution. So showing you an infinite solution, I'm going to draw my bars. And the first thing I'm going to do is step 1, which is distribute. We're going to do 3 times 1, which is 3. 3 times -3x is -9x. And then I just bring down the -8 because that is not in parentheses. There's no distribution on the left side, so I leave it alone. Step 2 is to combine like terms. If I look at the left side, those two things don't go together. If I look at the right side, it has 3 things, so 3 and -8. Okay, those go together because they both don't have a letter. 3 and -8 make -5, and then I just bring down -9x. Okay, over here, I keep exactly what I have because it didn't change. And now I'm on step 3, which is move the smaller variable. Well, the variable is a -9x and a -9x. There's not a smaller one. They are the same. So what you're going to do is just pick one and do the opposite to it. Since it's a -9, we're going to make it a +9. So we're adding it. When I add on this side, that leaves me with -5, and I keep equals. Now when I add on this side, -9x and +9x, they also cancel to leave me with -5. Since I no longer have numbers, I'm done. Letters, I'm done. So I have -5 equals -5. So this is a true statement. Now, true is not your answer. Your answer, you can write it one of 2 ways. You can put infinite solutions, or I will let you use the infinity sign. Now, all teachers don't let you use the infinity sign. Some do, some don't. I will let you use it. So know that this means any possible number can work. So any number I pick to plug in will work. 3, 10, -12. They're all going to work. Now this is all the notes that you have for the worksheet, but the worksheet, every answer is not going to be like this. Some answers are going to be like your notes from the other day where you just solved a problem and you got an answer, which is fine. Just know that this is not a cop-out. You will not get to use this every single time. This is only possible when your letters cancel. If you still have letters, you have to finish the problem. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and y'all will probably start your worksheet today.